and then the rest at 2:30.
Rowere mawuok e kaunti ma Isiolo, Nairobi gi Marsabit nyalo buonjo tok kambi ma Safaricom gi Catholic Relief Services yango chenro motisi nying ni wezesha vijana mar chiwo negi tiegruok manono. Chenro ni moka omenda maromo $47 kuom higa achiel dhi kawo thuolo mar higni 3. Jalup gavana ma Isiolo James Lowassa kaachiel kod jotelo mamoko oyango ni chenro ni geto masiro rowere bero mich magin godo. Gilero ni thoth rowere koso yudo thuolo mag tije, gino mamiyo giyudo akwede e anyuola ka koro dwaro nitiere mar neno ni osir rowere lwedo e chopo lek magi.
Nawashukuru watu hii programu ya Nawiri yenye ilianza ya kupatia youth skills. Mara ya kwanza niliona ilikuwa ngumu kwa sababu niliona hiyo kazi ya bodaboda na kuripea motorbike ya wanaume, ndio vile watu wanasema ni ya wanaume. Lakini wakati niliingia na nikaanza kufunzwa na hii programu ya Nawiri, nikaona ikiwa ni kazi nyepesi sana. Pia wanawake wanaweza fanya, ndio?
We graced the launch of Wezesha Vijana program. These are projects which is sponsored by Safaricom Foundation, CRS, and also it will be implemented in 3 pilot counties, that is Nairobi, Isiolo, and Marsabit. This entails a project where youth and those dropouts who are ready to get better skills from the vocational trainings, they'll be enrolled in programs where they'll gain knowledge in the local problems where they can just solve issues like electrical engineering, plumbing, masonry, that's hairdressing,